All right, folks, welcome back to Moving to Dallas, Texas. I'm excited to introduce this mini series that I'm going to be doing over the next X amount of months. I'm going to be shooting this in one take, so apologize if this is a little bit all over the place. But before I do so, though, make sure to hit that subscribe button because it's just me, camera, and we're going to roll through this. So the mini series, what it's going to be, it's going to be one city, it's going to be 3 separate neighborhoods, and it's going to be 2 properties in that neighborhood. So the first series I'm going to be doing McKinney, and I'm going to be focusing on new build. So I'll be doing 3 separate videos and 3 separate new build communities. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a home tour of the most affordable property in that neighborhood and the most expensive property in that neighborhood. And that'll give you kind of a range of what is the most affordable and then obviously what is kind of at the top. There's obviously going to be properties in between at that price point, but I'll also be doing a cost breakdown throughout those videos. So it's going to be more of an in-depth walking through the property and whatnot. I'll do other videos of the community and what you get, because most of those new build communities are going to have an HOA. But with the new build communities, I'll also go over the incentives, the rate buy down, the possibility of appliance packages as well, and then what that community offers as well. So first community I'm going to be focusing on is McKinney, and I'm going to be doing 3 different neighborhoods like I mentioned. So I'm going to be on the west side of McKinney, the north, and then the east side. So first neighborhood I'm going to do is Eastridge, which is on the east side of McKinney, obviously, and then I'm going to be heading up to Trinity Falls, since they're still building up there, and then I'm going to be going over to the west side of McKinney and focusing on the Painted Tree community. So starting in Eastridge, I'm going to be posting once per week in that community. So that'll be the first week. Second week, I'll go up to Trinity Falls. So that'll be on every Tuesday. And then I'll finish off at Painted Tree. And then that'll conclude that mini series. And then I'll obviously move on to other communities like Frisco, Melissa, Anna, Van Alstyne, Salina, Prosper. There's plenty of those to do. But if you want to see specific neighborhoods, I will add to those mini series. And I'm also going to add resale neighborhoods as well, those that have already been built out. And I'll probably add those on after I finish kind of this new build mini series throughout as well. But hope you like this. Hope you subscribe to the channel. I'm also doing these on TikTok as well and Instagram. So make sure to go on there. Those are going to be quicker videos. So these are going to be a little bit more in depth, but I won't bore you throughout that whole process. They'll be pretty quick, pretty dry. It's just me, the camera, going out there, nothing fancy. But make sure, like I said, hit that subscribe button, comment if you want any specific areas, neighborhoods, cities that you'd like me to do these in, and I will be able to get all that information over to y'all, and I look forward to seeing y'all in Dallas.